Okay, so for the think about it, let's see how you did. We're translating and recording the coordinate pairs. So hopefully you finished your mini lesson already and you're comfortable with coordinate pairs. So this one says translate 4 units to the right. So each point is moving to the right 4 times. So let's start with A. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here's A prime. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's B prime, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's C prime. Do my best to connect the points with straight lines. This is why we need rulers. All right, so there is the new triangle. Let's see if you got your ordered pairs correct. A prime is at 1, 0. B prime is at 4, 5. And C prime is at 7, 2. So check your ordered pairs, make sure you got those correct. Remember, it's the X values that go first and the Y values that always go second. Next, same triangle, same pre-image, but we're translating 3 units down. 1, 2, 3, A prime, 1, 2, 3, B prime, 1, 2, 3, C prime. Connect the points, they overlap a little bit. A prime is at -3, -3. B prime is at 0, 2. And C prime is at 3, -1. Now, on the next set of slides, or the next slide for you, you need to explain to me what happened to our X coordinates and our Y coordinates when we moved right and then when we moved down. So what you're going to do, let me switch colors. What you're going to do is when you move to the right, look at these ordered pairs and then look at these ordered pairs. And what do you notice? What's changing? What's staying the same? When you move down, first look at your pre-image, look at your image. What's happening to your X's and your Y's? You're going to type that out on the next 2 slides. What happened when you moved to the right and what happened when you moved down.